Here I've got HUAWEI MatePad Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now locate and open home screen and wallpaper, and now just click on wallpaper. It's right here. If you want to change it, just pick the picture that you would like to apply. Obviously you can click on gallery to pick one from your photos, and if you would like to pick some online wallpapers, just tap on more wallpapers, and here you've got them. And let me choose, for example, this one. And if you would like to apply it as your home screen, just tap on the confirmation mark. And finally decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, your lock screen only, or maybe both of them. And this is what I will pick, so I will pick third option, both. Now just give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, from now on you've got brand new wallpaper on your home screen, and also your lock screen is covered with this picture. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.